Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to have a go at doing some shrinky dinks to make a necklace for Bluebell for her birthday. So this is what I've gone and bought. It's just some shrink plastic. So all I'm going to do today is have a go at using some different mediums to see whether or not I can get these to colour nicely. So I've got some of my Copics, I've got some pencils, some colouring pencils, and I've got some chalk pastels as well. So I'm going to just have a go at different things and see what sort of a result we get. So all I did was I took my piece of shrink paper and I sanded this side and I sanded that side, and on that side I've stamped it with just some ink. And just use a different assortment of stamps, and I'm just going to colour them in already. So I'm going to try the owl with some nice pastels, and I think I will try him in some browns, oranges and whites. And what I'm going to try and do is just to put on a reasonably thick coat, and I'm doing this on the other side, to the side where he has been painted. I'm just going to put a coat of that on there and just sort of go around my finger and sort of blend that in. There we go. I'm going to do that around the eyes. So if there's anywhere where you really don't want it to be, you can just go around your finger and just move it off of the pattern. So I'm going to go around and I'm going to do that one, and then I think I will go for a little bit darker orange for his belly. Or her belly. It's a girl, I think, because she's all covered in flowers. So I'm going to have a slightly darker, more peachier one for the belly. Yeah, I'm happy with that. And I think maybe a red for the arms, maybe. That'd be good. Hello, Arwin. Arwin obviously is coming to see us. I'm going to go over that with a green, because that's not really showed up at all. Yeah, okay, so that's the one I've done with the pastels. So I'm going to try one with a pencil now. Let's start off with this cat with a little bit of pink in its ears. I think maybe you need to use darker colours on it. I'm not sure that the lighter colours are coming out as well, so I'm quite pleased with the way that this has come out with a little bit of green here. Oh no, the hoover's going as well. Sorry, Arwin's opened the door and the hoover's going, and the television's going in the other room, and when you're trying to film, it's brilliant, isn't it? So I've just put a little bit of green in that one. It's like a turquoisey green, and I'm just going to go and shut that door. Okay, right, so we've done that one. So that's the pencil and that is the pastels, and I'm going to have a go with the little dog with the Copics and see what he comes out like. And I think I will colour him orange. Let's have a look. So this might be better, I'm not sure. So that's come out quite nice. I think maybe if you use a bolder colour, you might be better. Oh, I didn't want to do his nose, never mind. A bit what that is there. Okay, let me do the teddy, and I'll put something over the top. So I think with the teddy, I think maybe we could go with that yellow, maybe. That's not too bad actually. With his arm over the top there. Yeah, it seems it's not like it is running into all the different things. Maybe I ought to give it another coat. That's better, does look better actually with the second coat. Yeah, that does look better. Just give him a purple. This one I'm going to have to be very careful here because I know that it is running, so I really want to just touch it. That's not coming out at all. Let's try a darker purple, maybe that'll work better. No, that's not being good. Can you see that at all? No, let's try red then. Isn't that funny? That's not showing up at all on there. Try the red. Yeah, straight away. That looks better. Okay, so that's the red on there, and I'm just going to give him a red nose, I think, as well. So I'm going to try another few bits and pieces as well with this. So I've got one done with the chalks, and I've got one done with the Copics. This one I've done with the pencil. So I'm going to try and do one when it comes out. I'm going to try painting that with an acrylic paint. I'm going to try and do some heat embossing on this one once it comes out, and then I'm going to try nail varnish on these two, and I think I'm going to go around and just do another Copic on this one, but I'm going to make it a blue. Okay, so here they are. So this is my favourite. It's come out really sweetly, and that was when we made with the pastels, and I think that probably has come out the best. The colours have stayed really nice. Maybe if I'd used different colours with the little dog, that would have been good, because that's what we used with the Copic, and it's come out really nice, but obviously it's a little bit plain. The pink I put on didn't come out at all onto the nose, but unfortunately I'd put a bit of orange on that first. But it's not too bad. Don't know if you can quite, whether you're getting a good view of it. This is the little cat. You can see they have come out really tiny. This is one we did with the pencils. It came out okay. The colours have stayed nice, but none of the colours, I didn't get any of the colours on the flowers at all. I think they just look all one colour, and the pink on the little notelet didn't come out, but the darker colours come out really well. I did these two with some acrylic paint. They look really nice. They've come out quite well, but it's not as bright as I would have liked, and I had to do them on the back, but I'm quite happy with them. They're not too bad at all. The little blue one I did with the Copics, I don't think, it's just a bit plain. The green didn't come out at all, but the blues come out, and a tiny bit of the red. Then when I put the hole in it, I put it in the wrong place, so it's just a bit plain, I think. And the very last one here, which I've just put on a sheet because it's still a tiny bit tacky wet, I did with some nail varnish, and I did it in 3 colours, but you can't really see it. I did it on the back once it was dry. There are 3 colours in it, so it's not too bad. I quite like that one. And this is a nail varnish one as well, so it's just a plain red nail varnish, but I think out of all of them the pastels came out the best. So I think if I was going to do it again, I would use the pastels. And also the size of them, these will definitely work beautifully with a little link and then a piece of ribbon on it to make a necklace. But I think I've put the hole in the wrong place on the owl, but I can still use that. It's not a problem at all. Okay, so that was my go at Shrinky Dinks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.